Okay guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can get fresh and 100% genuine Pepsi, Coca-Cola or any beverages, soft drinks you like, and that trick is 100% working, so you don't have to worry about. If so, I just received a package online from the Ras, and here you can see it's a very nicely packed, and it's a genuine from Coca-Cola, so it's 100% genuine. So you just have to order your soft drinks online. Like if you are in Pakistan, Bangladesh or Myanmar, then you have to order it on the Ras. Here you can find official Coca-Cola store, and you will definitely gonna get genuine products like I received today, Coke. So if you are from outside the Pakistan, like if you're from UK, USA or any other country like India, then you can order it from your famous online store like Amazon or AliExpress you like. So I will give you links in description also. So now I will show you what I got from live from Coca-Cola. Okay, stay with me. So guys, finally the packages are open now, and finally there was so much protection on these bottles like this. Here you can see lots of packaging going on there. So 100% genuine Coke and fresh, of course. Here you can see the barcodes and from Coca-Cola, and also there will be somewhere there will be expiry date also. Let me check, because they are claiming they are fresh, so I think I have to open the bottle for this to show you the which bottle is. It's a, by the way, it's a special package for I think Coke Studio. Here you can see Balochistan and lots of thing going on. Yeah, Coke Studio, of course. So guys, I just put a bottle out from this package, and you can see a barcode which is indicating this product is 100% genuine. And now I will show you the expiry date. Wait a minute. Now I will show you the expiry date. Yeah, you can feel it. Nothing here. I got it. Here you can see, I think you may be able to see, but I will read it for you. It's basically indicating that best before March 2020 on upper line. So that means it's a really fresh pack, because whenever Coke get packed, they are best before 3 months. So it's December right now, and they are claiming that you can go through March 2020. So this was a trick and tips for getting best out of Coke, Pepsi and any soft drink you want in 100% genuine taste.